Hey there folks, this is Troy Trelevin from Make Sales Faster, and I have a review today for a product called Orbit. And what this will do is help you generate tremendous amounts of traffic via YouTube videos. And if you don't use YouTube right now and have a YouTube channel, highly encourage you to do it. And if you are dabbling with it, this program is designed to radically grow your YouTube following. And I've used some of these principles and they work. And so today I'd like to just do a quick review. Before we do that, I want to ask you to please subscribe to this channel, because every week, multiple times, we have different things of value that if you're looking to grow an internet marketing business or to just grow a business in general, Make Sales Faster is about helping you do that. So please subscribe. You're going to love our content. And please like this video as well. It all helps to raise our rankings. And so today we're going to talk about Orbit. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. Then I want to show you some amazing bonuses that are going to make you want to buy from us here at Make Sales Faster, because we have some bonuses that you won't get anywhere else. You're going to see a lot of the same bonuses. We've got some of the same, and we have some brand new ones that you're going to really love. And so here is Orbit. It is a ability to rank your YouTube videos by boosting all those factors that influence its ranking. And the nice thing about YouTube is there's still room that if you do it right, you can outrank within minutes other videos that are out there. And so this program shows you how to do it. I'll tell you a little bit more about it in a moment. There's a good demo video here. Now, by the way, if you like what you hear here today, just go down to the description below in this YouTube video. Below this YouTube, you'll see a line that says bonus crate and some numbers and a letter. Just click it. You'll go through to this page you're looking at, and anytime you click one of these yellow and black buttons, you're going to go through to the sales page, which looks like, oh, it doesn't look like that. Looks like, well, we'll come back to it. But basically, that will be the way that you buy this product. So I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so here are my bonuses. So very good product on how to rank on YouTube, but there's some things missing. You might be ranking videos high, but how do you make money with it? Want to show you through my bonuses how you can really make some great money with this program. The first one is the lockdown formula. Now this was designed by Jono Armstrong, came about during the lockdown. It's going to show you how to make money quickly using affiliate marketing, and it has some products that you can sell in it. So this one is worth $427 on its own. Comes free with this course. Oh, by the way, this course is only $12.95 to get the front end. There's some other upsells I'll tell you about, but for $12.95, you get all these things I'm going to mention. You get Access Lockdown Formula. You get this hack on how to write headlines that sell. So if you've got a YouTube video with a catchy headline, you will rank higher, and this will help you get more clicks. And when you get more clicks and views, that helps you rank higher. Here's a special bonus you can only get through me. This is a course that I created that helps you become a copywriting genius, but also this is a business in a box. This will show you how to make money copywriting for people that really want your help. So there's desperate buyers out there, people trying to sell their homes, their cars, big ticket items that will pay you money to help them sell. So in this course, we show you how to become a copywriting genius, how to find those buyers, how to make money from those buyers. And if you do this, it's going to make you hundreds of dollars a week at the beginning. And as you grow it, this will make you thousands of dollars a week. This could become a full-time occupation for you very easily, and I'm only giving it to you for the price of this course. So for $12.95 that you're getting everything else, you're going to get this course. Definitely check that out. You can only get it through me, so you're going to want that. Next bonus, 4 ways to get instant design inspiration. If you're looking for design ideas, like how do people come up with all these creative ideas, you're going to love this hack, because it's going to show you how to come up with those cool ideas really quickly. So next bonus, 5 email marketing tips. And you're saying, well, why email marketing? Well, one of the wonderful things about when you're using YouTube, you're going to get eyeballs. You also want to capture emails, because if somebody's not getting you through YouTube, you can get them through their email. And when I say get them, I mean they can be a valuable subscriber customer to you. You can bring them value, and they in turn will buy the things you offer because they trust you. So this has some marketing tips for higher conversions. Comes free with this purchase. Next is Nova. Now, Nova is designed by Jonah Armstrong. This is a TikTok program. So how to make money from TikTok. Now, this is only available for the first 12 hours. So you have to buy this right away. And when you get this, you're going to learn how to make money from the hottest property out there right now, TikTok. Everybody's watching it. Very few people are making money with it. You can capitalize on that. And you don't have to make your own videos, which is kind of cool, right? So you'll enjoy that. And then there's vendor bonuses. So the makers of Orbit have these vendor bonuses that they're providing for you absolutely free that you're going to love. They're going to make this way more worth more than your $12.95 investment. Okay, so as I said, click the link below this video to get access to this page where you can click any of these buttons and you will be able to get to the sales page, which is coming up right here. So this is what the sales page will look like. So once you click those buttons, you'll come to this page. You can watch this video if you want, but click here to get access. Then you'll be able to get not only Orbit, you'll also be able to get all my bonuses, plus you're going to get shown some options. And so these options, depending on where you're at, these are going to help you make even more money from it, and for a very small investment. So here's upsell number 1. This is called Atlas, and there are 2 really cool secret hacks that come with Atlas, not in the core program, for $17. But here's a little trick. If you reject the first upsell you get, say no thanks, they'll offer it again to you for $12. Buy it for $12. So now you'll get these 2 extra hacks that are going to make this really valuable to you. By the way, as we're talking, if you get this product and you don't like it, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So try it for 30 days. If for some reason it just doesn't meet your needs and goals, get your money back. But I just want to tell you that because this is a stress-free purchase. You're going to buy this. You're going to be totally happy with the value. But if for some reason it doesn't meet it, just get your money back. Okay, upsell number 2. This is Orbit Astra. You're going to be able to sell Orbit as your own, and you keep all these commissions we're talking about. So the $12.95, the $17, the $47, the $9.97, all of the commissions would be 100% yours if you wanted to buy this for $47. And if you reject it, you can buy it for $27. So if you like this idea, if you want to help people rank higher in YouTube, you can sell this as your own and you get all the money for it just for buying here. Okay, so it depends. If you want to build a business out of this, why not? In fact, you could learn what you're learning here, make a few videos, rank those videos, and for $27, you'll be able to resell this and get all the commissions that go with it. Probably 2 purchases, you'd easily have paid for your investment in this program. So if you're have your eye on the prize, consider that. Okay, upsell number 3 is called Falcon. Basically, the providers of this training called Group Alpha, and I know these guys very well. They're very skilled. They're doing very well. They will help you launch a product. In fact, for $9.97 or $4.97, so $500, you could be launching your own product. And if you're launching your own product, that's where the big money is made in affiliate marketing, being the seller of the product. You get all the leads, you get commissions on that, and 20% of the profits. You get 100% of the buyer leads. And we say buyer leads. These are people that buy these kind of products. These are people that if you offer them something that's smart, that resonates with them, they will buy it. So if you want to get in on launching your own product, buy this upsell and you will be on the inside. And it'll be the very start of a really wonderful career for you. So this is a wonderful product. These upsells are all valuable. There's no fluff in these products or upsells, which I really like. 30-day money-back guarantee. You don't need any experience. You don't need any technical knowledge. The training is step-by-step. In fact, let me just show you some of the back end that you'll see here. When I say back end, that means the product that once you buy this, what you'll get. and I've got access to it right here. So this is what it's going to look like. There's a welcome. There's some information about the 2021 algorithm of YouTube, which has changed. This shows you how to take advantage of it. It talks about how to rank here. It talks about the importance of click-through rate and title. All these are videos, so it's easy to follow. You can watch them one time, multiple times. You can speed them up using the settings function. You know how to use that? Just set your playback speed to 1.5 or 1.75. I like doing 2 sometimes. It takes a while to get used to, but it's a good way to speed up your viewing and learning. Rocket launch, there's a whole bunch of information here on how to embed videos, social media. It just goes on and on. Here are your bonuses, by the way, that I mentioned. The vendor bonuses are right here. And you get all of these things as your bonuses in addition to all the ones we talked about. So Profit Abundance, Tube Booster, Leaders Road, Commission Blast, Back to Profits, all included in this price. So they've given me access to give it to you. I would love for you to purchase through my link. So if this is valuable, one more time, just click the link in the YouTube description. You'll come through to this page, Troy's Terrific Bonus Bundle. While you're there, please subscribe and like this video, and then click here and you'll go through to the sales page and you will enjoy Orbit. That's it. We are here to help you make sales faster. Stay tuned for other videos on the way. We'll see you soon, everybody. Thank you.